I'm gonna go back around and correct my error on the top. As you can see, I kind of drew a little too thick. This is NC50 from MAC as well. And I'm just gonna take it, do like this, and smooth it out. And just kind of blend it in. The mistake I made was I didn't really buff out the primer, but it's okay. Because at the end of the day, when you put your foundation and all that stuff on top of it, it doesn't really make a difference. And yes, I am mixing it in with the bottom lid as well. So pretty much, this is the eyebrow technique. You can kind of just go around it and do what you want with it. Like me, I kind of like an arch, so there you go. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go to the last step, which is how you define it and tone it. And then I'm gonna do the other side so you can see how it looks all together. Take that angled brush, 266, and you're gonna take your black carbon eyeshadow from MAC, and you're gonna just go ahead and kind of, but you make sure you blow on it, because sometimes the MAC, the brushes pick up more than you think. And I just kind of go around my outline with it. Everyone's eyebrows aren't black. Mine's are, so I use black for mine's. And just kind of color over it a little bit. And be kind of very deep with the ends. And then just take the brush again. And just brush it all in. And then just bam, like that. Then after that, I do the black track. My black track is practically gone, but whatever, I'll make it work. So then you take your black track, and with this same brush you used, you take it, get it in there, because, gotta get that object. And then just take it, go around, and be extra heavy when you drop it down. And it doesn't matter how much, if you apply it too much, because you can go back and clean it up. That's the fun thing about it. Even if you do apply it too dark, you can still clean it up with your brushes. So as you can see, I kind of like mine's a little deep, but you'll see the difference when I go back around and correct it with the same thing I used at first. So just go like this. And just go and slouch it down by it. And then it cleans it up all on its own. And then just take some and go under. I know it looks so weird because I'm only doing one eye, but it's fine. You get the concept. And I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. I'm going to come back with the final look. Now I'm back. I did my other side. And now I'm kind of taking the concealer and pushing it up. And kind of barely touching the eyebrow, but kind of touching the eyebrow to give it that gradient look that everybody really likes. And still going around and smoothing and correcting. You just keep going till you get that kind of eyebrow look you want. But this is how I like mine. So it's pretty much how you do it. Not really difficult at all. So I hope I helped you guys out. And then pretty much after this, you can just do your makeup the way you would normally do it. But you always do your eyes first. Because after you do the eyes, all you have to do is do your foundation. And that's pretty much it, ladies. And also, implements that I did use is the one I didn't post in the first video. I wound up using this. And then I also wound up using this brush. It's not a name brand, but it works. It's the one I use for the smoothing. So hopefully you ladies can figure it out. If not, let me know. I'll try to make it easier. So subscribe, share, help me get out there. And until then, bye. Thanks everybody for watching the first tutorial that I actually got to do verbally, which was the eyebrow one. I hope it helped you. This is like when I was explaining how your final look will look if you were doing it the way I was doing. I do a lot of different stuff. So hopefully you guys like my video. Subscribe to me, share me, help me get out there, and have a nice day.